spiders okay anyway because they have.
The spider is wrapping the stink bug in her web. But this spider's going bye-bye because she's not going to live in our house with
Make
us
sure you
anymore.
put the date on that
What do you mean?
so that they know the date for future reference.
Future reference of what?
Future reference of years down the road, you know the date of the leaf being wrapped around Sadid's kitchen. He's taking it up. Just take a picture of it and send it to Facebook and say, quote unquote, the flora and fauna